Hey! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them, tap on the search bar and type in Send Anywhere. Then install this free app from this developer and open it. Now you need to choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Following that, choose Receive on XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro and Send on XIAOMI device. Then choose all of those dots and click Send over here. This way you will select all of those files and transfer them. It will take a long while though, so I will go with only those two photos. Choose Send and click on Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. We can scan QR code by clicking on this scanning icon over here on Poco, choosing Allow or Only this time and pointing our device's camera at the code. But we can also just input this key here and then tap on Receive. After that, as you can see, my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!